Hello everyone, this is Harry. Welcome to this webinar. Thank you so much for your time and share with us this good time. I'm Harry and I'm the sales engineer of McNimage. Okay, let's see. Hello, Alan, Clayton, Lewis, and Ramesh, and Bob, Yo-Yo, Maxwell. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, let's begin. Before we begin the contents, please write down your question. Our colleague will follow with you, or raise your hand online. Then we can talk about your problem. Okay. Just imagine that there has a video switcher. It has 4K input and output ports. Support at least 600 square meters LED screen, portable P3.91. It has compact design but solid quality, with a lot of practical functions, such as customized input and output resolution. And it is easy to understand and control. The last but not least, price is rather fair and affordable. Today, I'm going to show you such kind of video switcher. It is our new seamless video switcher, MIG 680 series. At the right-hand side is the picture. This is the contents list of today. First, I will show you the front and back panel of MIG 680. Then, I will show you some important functions like clone, shadow, chroma key, preset. And third, I will show you some real cases. Okay, this is the appearance of this switcher. As you can see, it is solid and compact design with processing and switching all in one. As you can see, it has the buttons and the keyboard and the touch screen and the joystick. This is the back panel of the machine, as you can see. At the left-hand side, there has program output and backup output, totally two, but they are the same output. And then at the right-hand side, we have four groups of aux output. Each group have a backup. As you can see, program output and aux output are all HDMI 2.0. It supports 4K by 2K at 60 Hz output. At the right-hand side, there has a preview panel. It has DVI and HDMI outputs. At the right-hand side is the input. We have two groups. One group is HDMI 2.0. Another is DP 1.2. All of them support 4K by 2K at 60 Hz inputs. Each input are independent. And then let's see at the bottom, we have two extend module. It can extend 3G SDI TP12, and HDMI 2.0. At the left-hand side, there has a control card. We have RJ45, USB port, and general port. USB is for update. Okay, let's see the connection. At the bottom is the source, input source, PC, laptop, or video camera. This is input to the 680 switcher. Output at the right hand side, output to the preview monitor. And it can take 5 screens. One is the main output screen, and 4 X output. So each output support 4K by 2K at 60 Hz, like 4996 by 2160. Okay, let's see the layers. The main output supports 4 layers. As you can see, normally we have 1 background, right, and 3 pips. Furthermore, these the left pip and right pip are video camera, and at the middle is the PB power point. We can do 4 layers to 4 layers switch. Okay, let's see the shadow effect. At the right hand side and the bottom of the layer, we have the shadow, just like 3D have the 3D effect. Let's see the clone function. As you can see, we have layer 1 is the background, right? Layer 2 is pips 1, and then we can turn on the clone function. We have another layer 2, right? Just imagine that we have a very long screen, very long screen. At the left hand side, we have 1 pips there, and then we want to have another exactly the same position at the right hand side, right? I just turn on the column, and then it will have the same layer there, right? Furthermore, this one for the audience at the left hand side, this one at the right hand side, right? All 4 layers of the main output support cloning. So those clone layers do not account for the number of layers. So totally up to 8 screens can be displayed simultaneously. Oh, okay, let's see the layer mirroring. After we clone the layer 2, we can turn on the mirror function. As you can see, just like a mirror of the layer 2, right? Let me take an example. This is one of the real cases we ever done, right? These two screens are movable, right? You can move left and open and close. Just imagine that here and there has 2 rings there, right? Just 1 people come out from the middle. Okay, this is me. It is just an example, right? 1 people come out the screen, right? And then the wings just waving, right? And this is real project we ever done, but I don't have the video. I'm sorry. But let's just imagine, right? Okay, this is the crop function. Furthermore, we don't want the black area of the screen, right? We just use the crop function to remove the black area. As you can see, in the right hand side, the effect. Okay, let's see the zoom function. Zoom function. For example, this picture. I don't want to see the third bird, right? It's the third bird. I just want to see this couple. So I use the zoom function to zoom the picture and then only see the two birds here. This is zoom. Okay, let's see the chroma here. For example, I want to put a logo, put a logo there. Okay, how can I do? Just add a layer in front of this input, and then remove the background. And then you can see this effect, right? This is chroma here. Okay, let's go to presets. Presets, we support up to 20 presets. Before the meetings and conference, we can set many presets here. This is the button of the preset of the machine. As you can see, 1 to 20. And then this is load preset, undo, save preset, clear preset, right? Okay, question. How can we connect to 2K sending card with the MIG 680? First of all, I have only 2K sending card in my stock, right? But as you can see, all of the outputs are 4K output, right? So we have a solution for this. This is our 4K mosaic box, MIG F4. It has 4K inputs, as you can see, HDMI 2.0 and DP1.2, right? So make MIG 680 output 4K signal into this machine, and then as you can see, this is the output ports, MIG F4D and MIG F4H. We have 4 DVI output or 4 HDMI outputs. It supports 2K. The maximum wide is 2,900 pixels, and maximum vertical pixels are 2160. This is one of the real cases, right? Okay, as you can see, at the right-hand side, we have 680. In the middle, we have F4, right? The signal from here to the F4 mosaic box, and then F4 mosaic box to the sending card. Okay, let me show you a video. Okay, this is the video. Okay, play it again. As you can see, the main output is going to the main screen, right? And it has two side screen. It's controlled by the aux output. Okay, let's see the connection of these two machines. As you can see here, F4+680 here output the signal to 4K multi box, right? And then 4K multi box output four output signal to 4 sending card, and then sending card output the signal to the screen. It supports 1496 to 2160. Okay, this is one of the real cases. This machine is easy to understand and control. It needs only 4 steps to control. Okay, let me show you a video.
First step, is to create a layer and then do all the settings like the size and position. For example, size and position, size, clone, mirror. Okay, the second step is to select the source. For example, layer 1, select the source. Okay, the third step is to save the preset. Save. Press together. For example, the first, second, third, fourth. Okay, the final step is to load the preset. Load, and then preset 1. Okay, after you make sure the videos, the pictures at the previous screen are all right and as what we want, and then press the T-bar or press take or cut. Okay, that's all done.
It is really easy. Last time I go to visit my customer and show this machine to them, and one of the CEO, he said, oh, even an idiot can handle this machine easily. It means even we hire a new person who is really totally new to this industry, and we just use about 10 minutes to teach him how to use it. They can easy to handle. Okay, let's go back to the PowerPoint. Four steps. This is another real cases we have done. As you can see, 680 here, and we connect to a 4K sending card, and then 4K sending card connect to the screen. Okay, these three cases is used at a competition. It has the main output go to the main screen, at the top screen, right? And then off screen just light up another screen. This is a nightclub project. All the screen just controlled by only one machine, 680. This is concert project. Yes, also all the screen controlled only by one set of 680. Okay, the content's almost done. Let's review the contents. The keywords, first, 4K, right? It means 4K input and 4K output, right? Then giant screen, support up to 600 LED screen for small P3.91. And then compact and solid design. Practical means practical functions, right? And then easy to understand and control. Even an idiot can handle this machine. And it is really affordable. If you want to know the price, just reply one at the online message. Then we will contact you directly. That's all. Thank you. At the right hand side is our technical support phone number, INS, and Facebook. Yes, let's add Facebook here. If you have any questions, welcome to leave an online message here. Now let's talk about this product. Any problems? Oh, we have a lot of new friends here. Oh, I would like to mention that the 680 machine, now you buy, we will send you the F4 mosaic box as a gift. So if you buy 680, yes. Yes. Okay, welcome to more questions.你再回答问题。 preview output. It means we can before we take the main out, before we switch the video or the picture output to the program output, then we can preview it, make sure everything, every picture and every video camera are right as we want. Then we can use preview screen to see that. And then make sure that is okay, then use the T-bar or the button to take it to the main screen. As you can see, the video. Let me show you there.
First step is to create a layer and then clone mirror. The first, second, load the preset. Load.
After load the preset.
And then preset.
As you can see, I can preview the screen here. Preview the screen at the right hand side. Here we have the picture, preview screen picture, and the main screen picture. After we make sure the preview screen is all right, and then we press take.
1. Okay. After you make sure the videos, the pictures, and the preview screen are all right and as what we want, and then press the T-bar or press take or cut. Okay.
Yes, that's the preview. Oh, okay. Morning discount. Okay, I will message you privately. Yo-yo. Yeah. About the 680 and F4, right? Let's see here. As you can see, the 680 is 4K output, right? All of them, program output and ops output are all 4K output, right? The 4K multi box, it is 4K input port, right? 4K input, including the HDMI 2.0 and DB 1.2. Then the input 680 output the 4K signal to the 4K multi box, and then the 4K multi box it output 2K signals to 2K sending card. And 2K sending card output the signal to the screen. That's how it works. Am I clear? Any more questions? 这个拼接盒支持 SDR 吗？不支持，帮我回一下。
哦，大概事情可以。
Hello Marvin 。Okay, Marvin, now I'm referring.那个4K 拼接盒是可通过安卓手机那个应用来控制的哈。Yo, F4 connect with 680 work at speaker. Yes, F4. It is a multi box. It has four outputs. To splice the screen. So it's like a simple splitter. Is there age branding? Premise. Premise. Please. What's your question, please? Ramesh, please, please speak. I can hear you. Okay, our engineer is replying your question, Ramesh. Now I'll reply the question of Monet. Is there edge branding in 680 and F4? 680 has no edge branding, but F4 multi box is edge branding. Okay, let's see the problem. I remember they will show the edge branding function in last one LAN training of F4. Yes, exactly. If I have 3 4K multi-box, can I cascade them by only one output signal? Cascade. one output signal。李老师，这个可以吗？看一下，
自己问一下。
倒数第一个，If I have 3, 4K，
不行，我没有按住。
About the cascade 3, 4K multi box is not available because the 4K multi box has no loop out.
我电脑给我给一个输出显卡去。
So the solution is we can give more output signal to each multi box and then merge together. 那同步的那个应该没问题吧？And the slice synchronization problem not exist with perfect synchronization. Maybe this machine is too easy for you, right? Yes, it's really easy. Easy to control, easy to understand. As you can see, the connection is also really simple. As you can see, the source input to the 680, and then it output to 5 screen or output to the F4 multi box. Four layers to 4 layers switch. In video, only main screen presence you are showing and how we have to configure and present aux outputs. You mean the aux output switch, right? 这个我们就发个视频告诉他们怎么做，对吧？那他是说的就是辅助怎么切换嘛？
你跟他说，我们的output直接是可以接发信号的，然后呢，输出一个分辨率，把屏幕连起来的。不需要接 F4啊，或者是那也可以接，对不对？
我还以为他说是切换问题，他保是吗？他说切换问题。又找出第二个 finish 的。
你跟他说我们确实，你刚才那个操作嘛，就是只是搞那个 program 嘛，我们确实只是操作 program 嘛。其实 Ops 很简单，不需要啥，是吧？对，就需要操作那个 program Ops，你可以看一下，你的配定 Ops 的，然后信号怎么分出来。Ops 这一个工作，其他的生活设计都是这样。
The difference of the aux output and the main output is the main output have 4 layers. Aux output have only 1 layer. And we have buttons to switch the aux output, but it will not show pictures on the screen, on the preview screen. I'm sorry. 他们要怎么联系我们？就除了 Facebook。我想来我没有，因为我留公司没有邮箱。680 max output is 4965216848. Yes, that's correct. F4的话，应该是可以做到4096吧。我想就于老师啊，于老师，我现在可以做到4096吧。F4。
F4啊。
因为另外你如果是4096。
不用强调在里面那啥，你跟他说差不多都是大概都是600万小时。
Yes, F4 multi-box support input 14965 to 160. So if 680 output this resolution, the F4 multi-box can do that. Almost 9 million pixels. Any more questions, please? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, if no more questions, so today's webinar is over here. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for joining our webinar. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Depart. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you, Ramesh.